Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can take a picture on TikTok. So if you don't want to take a video but only want to take a picture, here's how you can do it. So first open your TikTok apps and click on the plus icon at the bottom. Okay, so now you can go to this tags or you can go to story, then just take a picture like that. And here if you want to save it, you can just click on this arrow down and there will be the save option. So that's the first option, or you can also just go to pose and here click on the photo. Don't click on this duration but click on photo and then just click on this white button to start taking a picture like that. And again, if you want to save it, you can just click on the drop down. Sorry, I cannot find it. You need to click on this checks icon first. Let's see the result. This is the result. So now click on the three dots icon and there will be this option to save. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.